Are you feeling stuck in a financial rut, trying to save a little while spending a bit here and there, but not seeing any real progress? The truth is that achieving financial goals isn't just about crunching numbers. It involves your mindset and psychology, as well as having a solid plan in place. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to set clear objectives and use psychological strategies to gradually reach them. By the end of this process, you will have the tools to manage your finances effectively and create the life you've always envisioned. Understanding the importance of financial goals is crucial. Having clear financial goals provides you with a direction for managing your money. Without these goals, it's like driving without a clear road. You'll likely wander aimlessly. However, with specific goals in mind, you can develop a plan to achieve financial independence. Psychological insight. Research shows that setting definite and concrete goals helps individuals achieve them more effectively than those who do not set goals at all. Why is this the case? Goals activate the reward center in your brain, providing a sense of accomplishment each time you reach one. To set financial goals effectively, it's essential to identify the three types of goals. 1. Short-term goals. These are objectives you aim to achieve within the next year. Examples include paying off credit card debt, saving for a holiday, or building an emergency fund. 2. Medium-term goals. These goals can generally be accomplished within 1 to 5 years. Examples include saving for a down payment on a house, paying off a car loan, or funding education. 3. Long-term goals. These goals typically require at least 5 years to achieve and usually involve saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or building wealth. Pro tip: in this guide, you will first be asked to write down one goal for each category and then estimate the amount you will need for each. For example, short-term financial goal: save $1,000 for emergencies. Medium-term financial goal: save $20,000 for a down payment on a house. Long-term financial goal: accumulate a $500,000 nest egg for retirement. After categorizing your goals, it's important to make them SMART. This well-known approach can help ensure that your goals are effective and attainable. 1. Specific. Clearly define your goal. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," you might say, "I want to save $5,000 for a car." 2. Measurable. Track your progress. For example, if your goal is to save $5,000, consider breaking it down into smaller monthly amounts, such as saving $500 each month. 3. Achievable. Ensure that your goal is realistic given your income and expenses. 4. Relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your other life objectives. For instance, if your priority should be paying off debt, then saving for a new car may not be the best focus at this time. 5. Time-bound. Set a timeline for your goal. For example, you could say, "I will save $5,000 in the next 10 months. By adopting the SMART framework, you can effectively convert specific financial objectives into actionable plans. Psychology plays a crucial role in money management. It's important to recognize the common psychological barriers that can hold us back and explore how to overcome them. 1. Impulse spending. Why it happens. The desire for immediate satisfaction drives us to spend on things we want in the moment. While this can feel good, it may not align with our long-term financial goals. Solution: implement the 24-hour rule. If you're tempted to make an impulse purchase, wait for 24 hours before buying. Often you'll find that the urge has subsided. 2. Fear of investing. Why it happens. Many people fear losing their hard-earned money, leading them to avoid investing altogether. Solution: start with low-risk investments. Consider putting a small amount of money into a diversified fund and gradually learn about investing as you go. 3. Analysis. Paralysis. Why it happens. An overload of information can lead to inaction and confusion. Solution: focus on achieving one goal at a time. Break each goal into smaller stages and reward yourself upon completing each stage. By addressing these psychological barriers, you can improve your financial decision-making and work towards a healthier relationship with money. Let's move on and learn how to create a budget that will help you achieve your financial objectives. Think of your budget as a tool. It provides a clear picture of your spending and helps you stay on track toward your goals. Step 1. Track your expenses. The first step is to monitor your spending for 30 days. You can do this either by using an app or by writing down all your expenses. Remember, you cannot improve what you do not measure. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Next, divide your expenses into 3 categories. Needs, example, rent, food, and groceries. Wants, example, entertainment, dining out, and savings or investments. Step 3. Adjust your spending. Consider reallocating some funds from the wants category to savings/investments to better meet your financial goals. Psychology. Hack to help with this, set up an automatic transfer of a portion of your income to a savings account or investment plan. This way, you save first before spending on other items. Visualization is one of the most effective psychological tools. Science has proven that when you simulate your goals, you light up the same part of the brain as you would if you were actually doing it for real. Exercise. Next, you need to picture your financial objectives. Create as much detail as possible, how it will look like, what it will feel like, and what it means to you. For instance, if the goal is to amass enough money for a house, then visualize yourself entering into your dream house, furnishing it, and living in it. This is because practicing it helps you to remember your goals and enhances your determination to go for them. It is important to stay motivated in order to achieve your long-term financial goals. Here are 3 effective ways to track your progress and maintain your inspiration. 1. Use a goal tracker. Create a visual representation of your milestones, such as a savings thermometer or a chart, where you can mark off each achievement as you reach it. 2. Reward yourself. Take time to celebrate your small victories. For example, if you successfully save $1,000, treat yourself to something you've wanted for a while. 3. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or partner. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can encourage you to stay focused and committed to your targets. When you feel confident in your understanding of the concept, it's time to plan for your financial future. Here are some steps to help you achieve lasting financial success. 1. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of your expenses. This fund will protect you from any unexpected events that may arise. 2. Invest in your future. Make it a habit to contribute to your retirement plans. Even small contributions can significantly impact your savings over the years. 3. Diversify your income. Consider developing additional sources of income through freelance work, investing, or starting a side business. This can provide greater financial security and opportunities. It is entirely possible to achieve financial success without relying on luck. This can be accomplished through goal setting, implementing small steps, and maintaining discipline. Whether your aim is to buy your dream house, pay off debt, or become a millionaire, the strategies presented in today's meeting will be beneficial to you. Now is the time to take action. Please share a comment with one financial goal you have, and feel free to assist others as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Also, make sure to enable notifications so you can receive additional tips on reaching your goals. Remember, there's no better time to start than now.